Even right now, I know you have one of the best relationships with Father Pow, Stone Love, and Jimmy Metro.
Everybody.
You understand?
Because I was around before them, you know. Yeah, man. When me leave Jamaica, the first time Stone Love come here and play, he didn't play with me, and like somebody tell Reaper, say, when you come back to Canada, man, make sure you play with Soul to Soul. Yeah. And we've been friends ever since.
Yeah.
Ever since. Metro, I knew him before because he used to work at Dynamics. And Metro was a soul. Them used to call him Soul because only soul music he used to play.
As Metro Media?
Yeah. That time he never have the name as Metro Media yet. Him just like was a DJ, them call him Soul.
Yeah.
So like most like a bar session at Kingston and thing, you know, and play and all that. When me go Jamaica one time, now on vacation, I'm going to dance. See a Metro? That time I have Danny Dread, Tanto Metro, the whole of them DJ. Me could never believe.
Yeah.
No. And I mean, like, Metro, I knew Metro before Repo, right? Because I used to work at Dynamics. I used to have a record shop in Montego Bay in my school era.
Yeah.
So I used to go there and buy records. So that's how we meet Metro. And me, ever since, we are like not friends, brother. Just like when Repo come here and meet him and we talk and we go down and that. Brother.
Yeah.
So most of the sound people in my era, we are like brother Jaro, PSRC, all of those sound guys. Virgo, they used to have a set name Virgo.
Yes.
We like family. Because of, you see, now the younger people have a different aspect of life and sound business and all that. They're more worrisome.
Yeah.
In our time, everybody was like a family. So we create a platform for others to follow, but them not follow it because they want to stray.
Yeah.
Kilimanjaro, I'm a good friend, same way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I go to Jamaica and Jaro, they play, I don't hear none of the dance. I sit down and carry the whole night they talk about from when Adam come right up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Harper.
So, yeah, man. Good friend.
Yeah.
So, me have such a relationship with most of those sound owners from those days till today.
Yeah. Because I know one time you were doing the exclusive bookings for Metro Media, Stone Love, and all of those songs.
We still do it. Yeah. Still do it, yeah.
I guess it's because you guys were coming from so far. They liked what you were doing.
Yeah.
You had a good way of putting together the business.
Exactly.
So they figured, let's trust you.
Exactly. That's the thing. Because it's a business. Because one of the biggest things right now, even in Jamaica, sound business.
Yeah.
If you go to Jamaica now and you see some sound, you're shocked.
Yeah.
$20, $50. They have a sound thing coming up soon with 12 sound at the National Stadium.
Okay.
Yeah, they had one before.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. No, it's sound business.
Yeah, it's a business now. It's not like before it was like a joke thing because most sound people before used to work 9 to 5 and the sound was like a side thing. But no, it's a big business. All over the world.
You're right.
Yeah, all over the world. It's a big business now.
Yeah.
And it's like it explode right all over the world now. You know?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.